So some of you have asked me how to get a report in different languages. So if you're in your normal scan results, right? This is our full portal. Uh, I'm gonna make this bigger so that everyone can see, but you're gonna click right here on printable. And this right now would be the English report, right? But if you need to change the language, right now this is in English, but if you need to change it to another language, such as Spanish, um, you hit that thing, and now all the measurements will be in Spanish, and you can download this, right? You could try another language. I don't know all these, but the point is that you can download your Fit3D scan data in any language that speaks to you. Someone asked about German, and so these are all here. If any of the translations are off, you could send us a note, and we're happy to change it for you. But hopefully that helps how you get your scan reports in another language. And this should be the download button, I believe. So that's how you do it. And then you could save it as a PDF to send to your clients. Thank you very much.